A great lawn doesn't start with sod or seed. It starts with proper preparation. At the Northwest Gardener, we install dozens of new lawns across the Puget Sound region every season. By following this structured process, we ensure new lawns establish evenly, drain properly, and thrive for years to come. Many lawn problems actually come from what's happening beneath the surface. Poor soil preparation, improper grading, rushed install all lead to patchy lawns and unhealthy conditions over time. Our process focuses on getting the foundation right so the lawn has the best chance to thrive in the years to come. The first step is removing the existing lawn and clearing the area so we can start with a clean surface. This allows us to correct soil issues and prepare the site properly before installing the new turf. Next, we excavate the area to further remove old root material and create space for improved soil. This step helps ensure the lawn has a healthy growing environment instead of simply laying sod over compacted ground. On larger scale projects, we often use a skid steer or a mini excavator to more quickly remove the old vegetation. Healthy soil is the most important part of any successful lawn. We install a sandy topsoil and mix it in with the existing soil. This helps with drainage, structure, and nutrient availability and gives the roots the best environment to succeed in. We've also added as an option incorporating biochar and worm castings into the soil. Biochar helps improve soil structure and moisture retention, while worm castings add beneficial microbes and natural nutrients that support root development. Together, these help create a healthier environment for the new lawn to establish. Once the soil is prepared, we carefully grade the surface to create a smooth and even lawn. Proper grading helps water drain correctly and ensures the finished lawn looks clean and level. Before installation, we apply a starter fertilizer that supports root development as the new lawn establishes. Once the site preparation is complete, we install fresh premium sod, generally picked up the same day as your project. The sod is then rolled, trimmed, and cut perfectly to fit your landscape, ensuring that we have full contact between the sod and the soil itself.
Sí. ¿Ya?
After installation, proper watering is essential for the lawn to root into the soil. During the first few weeks, the sod establishes and becomes a permanent part of the landscape. By focusing on proper soil preparation, grading, and installation, we help ensure your new lawn establishes evenly and performs well long-term. If you're considering a lawn replacement, this process is what helps us deliver consistent results for all of our clients across the Puget Sound region. If you want to see more projects like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post new content every Friday at 3 p.m.